We're gonna start my line off. My flow nasty. Cat Stacks. That's his name, dog.
All right. We're here with the boy Reckless from F Styles.
What's up? F Style, baby. With the homie. You know how we do.
And gotta get some shit off our chest, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna call this session food for thought. You know what I mean? And it is what it is.
Yeah. Yo, lights, camera, action. I'ma get your main bitch singing like Tony Braxton. Stop acting. I get the booty straight clapping. What she wanna do, you at your mouth straight yapping. Da-da-da. I ain't from California. But what you wanna do, I'll run up on ya. I hit you with your gums, but you look dumb. And what you wanna do, you get bread, you get crumbs.
They shitting on themselves, well I tell them get tums. They can't really see me, so they really get numb. That nigga Billy popping like some fucking bubble gum. You see me, I see teeth. Where's your gums? That nigga really go hard, I don't really need it. That nigga do it so tight, yeah, I'm conceited. And then I beat it, kinda like I'm Doug. Dougie Fresh, nigga, then I do my shoulder shrug. And I do it like shit. That nigga really go hard, nigga, I'm it. Kinda like Jackson, you faking nigga have it. Nigga, I'm about to rip it and I have a heart attack. Switch.
Just like house party. What you wanna do? I'm at that bitch with Bacardi. Will we get naughty? I'm talking loud, talking live. What you wanna do? We the best alive.
Hey!
I got the gadgets like MacGyver, like Jeezy and Akon, so Survivor. I come through, he can't show Survivor. I mean Wire. What you wanna do?
Hey!
Flyer.
Stop. Let me give it to them so right. And they can really see me. Pop a can of Sprite. Quit they thirst, nigga, kinda like day or night. They see that nigga Billy and they want a straight fight. The girl see me, sorry bruh, well, she about to leave me and she so swell. We get 2 beers and some wells. Billy go hard, nigga. Dale. Good. We're gonna do that a little bit.
Alright.